I'm using an AI camera to control the robot arm. The camera has 400 ms lag. The servo moves at 60 degrees per second. That's around 30 degrees blind spot every single command. Here's how I'm working around it. Tech neck. You have felt it. I was looking down at a phone, that slow neck strain that builds up over the day. My solution, a robotic arm that holds the phone at eye level and tracks your head. Active correction, not passive reminders. The arm is tendon-driven, finishing line through 3D printed joints, cheap, light, strong enough for the phone. I went through origami paper joint, faint. Paper with 3D printed floats, unpredictable. Eventually, landed on a rigid PETG joint with cable actuation. Not very big, not very strong. Its arm to finger ratio. The first working version got the highest views my Instagram handle had seen. I needed the camera to see the robot so that it knows how much it moved. And I tried to find any existing model. I found YOLO keypoint, right? But then it was designed for human hands. It didn't work in the custom-made arm. So I had to fine-tune it. I have used 50 images of the arm and fine-tuned it, and now it starts to work. Further, it gets even more interesting when I have used a camera which is OAK-T, which was doing all the processing on board. But here, the problem which I have faced is right from the camera capture, going through the pipeline, the NN model, it was 4 ms. Then from the USB, it traveled back to the PC. It was taken 200 ms. And further, the Python code, which was processing this all, have taken rest of the time. Eventually, the total time lag of 400 ms. This is the story of every frame. Now, the standard control theory says that if the delay is longer than the rise time, your system will oscillate. My servo's rise time was minimum speed was 300 ms for the 10 degrees. Delay 400 ms. The math was against me from the start. I stopped trying to fight the lag, started designing it for it. Pulse control, the error tells me how far off I am. The servo speed tells me how long to fire. Fire it, stop it. Wait for this dust to settle. 50, 500, 600 ms. Longer than the lag. Then look again. It's not elegant, it's not smooth, but it converges. And for the one joint, one servo system running off a 400 ms visual lag and the feedback loop on hardware from 2014, converging is a win. The last problem, the AI loses the arm when it holds still. 50% detection rate at set point. It trained on motion. It's blind to stillness. The fix is obvious. Capture stable frames and retain. That's next week. This arm feeds 2 products, NeckGuardian, the posture corrector, and AI micro car racer, where same joint design becomes an overhead camera mount for an indoor positioning system. Next step, model controller, MPC, then physical AI, training a vision language action model on everything the arm has done. And eventually, the full multi-joint version. Pausing in August, EEG project next, brain-based hypertension detection. Back here, January 2027. If you are building something weird in robotics, follow along @ RahulDev2047 and Physical AI Engineer.